In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add social share buttons in WordPress. Social media is a great way to enable a viral effect and get marketing for free from visitors to your business website or store. I'll show you how you can add these social media buttons to your website very easily. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins. Then click on Add New. In the search bar, type WordPress Social Share and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. And when the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. So click on it to activate the plugin. And once the plugin is activated, you get redirected to the plugins page. Now, if you notice, you'll see the sassy social share icon on your dashboard. Click on the icon. And here you can customize the button. But first, go to Standard Interface. Now scroll down and select the social media sites you want to display on your website from here. Then here you can select the alignment or the position of the buttons. And then in placement, you can select where you want the buttons to be displayed. Okay, now before anything, click on Save Changes. And let's go to our website. And as you can see, the social media buttons are there on the sidebar. This is due to a different setting which we will configure later. For now, I'm going to open a post. And the social media buttons are here under the post. Back in the plugin settings, you can change the title here. And then add your Instagram username here. Click on Save Changes. And back in the website, when I reload the page, you can see now the title is changed. Now, to configure this sidebar, back in Plugin Settings, click on the floating interface. You can disable it by clicking here. And if you choose to have it on your website, the settings are pretty similar to the standard interface we talked about before. So now, when I reload the website, this sidebar should be gone. Yep, much better. Now, under the theme selection, you can customize the buttons. You change the shape, as well as the size, colors, and many other things. Just remember, if you have both the standard interface and the floating interface on your website, then you have to customize the buttons under the specific setting. This is the floating interface. And these are the standard interface theme settings. And that's it. This is how you can add social share buttons in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you liked the video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.